In the realm of healthcare, stable leadership does not merely guide, it saves lives, especially during a crisis. The journey of a nation's health ministry often mirrors the health of its society, reflecting both resilience and vulnerability. In August 2020, amidst a global pandemic, Zimbabwe faced a pivotal moment as Vice President Constantino Chiwenga took the helm of the Health and Childcare Ministry. This appointment followed the dismissal of his predecessor, Obadiah Moyo, who faced allegations of corruption concerning a $20 million contract for coronavirus testing kits. The hopes were high that Vice President Chiwenga would steer the ministry through the storm of the COVID-19 pandemic. The government, recognizing the urgency of the situation, aimed to stabilize, restructure, and reform the national health delivery system. However, as the months unfolded, the ministry's direction under Chiwenga began to show signs of strain. Reports surfaced about contentious decisions, including the firing of striking nurses without sufficient consultation. Such actions sparked debates about the management and strategy of the health ministry. These controversies hinted at deeper issues within the ministry, raising concerns about the overall impact of Chiwenga's tenure on the health system's stability. Fast forward to the present, and the narrative takes a turn towards recovery and rectification. The current leadership within the Health and Childcare Ministry is reportedly making concerted efforts to address and amend the missteps of the past. The focus has shifted towards healing not only the system, but also the trust within the community it serves. In summary, the tenure of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga at the Health and Childcare Ministry was marked by significant challenges and controversies. Today, the ministry is on a path to correct these past mistakes, striving to rebuild a health system that can better withstand crises and serve its populace effectively. The journey of reform and recovery continues as the ministry learns from its past to forge a healthier future.